Now, whenever you come across a question on that machine, the first thing you do depends on the type of machine. So once the type of machine is mentioned, the first thing you get is your velocity ratio. Like this question now, you're talking about inclined plane, and velocity ratio of an inclined plane is 1 over sine theta. That's the first thing you get. So 1 over sine, the angle there is 30 degrees, which is 30, which is 1 over sine 30 is 0.5. 0.5. So this now becomes, the answer will give you 2. That is the velocity ratio for this particular machine will give you 2. When you do 1 over 0.5 is 2. Now we have gotten the velocity ratio. You now come here and say efficiency is equals to load over effort times 1 over velocity ratio times 100 over 1. Take note of this, is very, very important. Now, according to the question, they gave us the efficiency. They gave us efficiency. At the same time, they gave us our load, and we are asked to find our effort. So what we are going to do is this: the efficiency here is 50%. The load, according to the question, the load is 120 over, we don't know the effort, times 1 over velocity ratio is 2 times 100 over 1. Take note of this, is very, very, very important. Now at this point now, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 50. Now you use this 50 to times 120. So we have 50 is equals to 120 times 50 divided by effort. You take over 1 and cross multiply. So when you take over 1 and cross multiply, this with times that becomes 50 E is equals to 120 times 50. So at this point, to divide both sides by 50, divide here by 50. So this now we cancel this we cancel. So your effort is equals to 120 newtons. Take note of this, is very, very important. Take notes.
That will be all. Thank you very much for watching. To join our online classes, please send a WhatsApp message to the number that is on the screen. Our fee is 1,000 naira per subject per month. You can register for as many subjects as you can afford. You can register for 1, 2, 3, or 4. 4,000 naira for the 4 subjects per month. Thank you again for watching. We hope to see you in class. Bye.